Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize add chat widgets using Tawk.to easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Navigate to the Tawk.to website. Log into your Tawk.to account using your credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to your dashboard. In the dashboard, locate and click on the admin option in the lower left corner. Next, select Chat Widget from the menu options displayed. Here, you will see the settings for your chat widget. Scroll down to find the authorization section. Click on the Add Widget button if you haven't created a widget yet. If a widget already exists, simply choose the one you want to authorize. After selecting the widget, you will need to generate a unique code. Follow the on-screen instructions to create this authorization code. Once generated, copy this code to your clipboard. Now, navigate to the website where you want to add the chat widget. Access the backend of your website or CMS. Locate the section for adding custom HTML or JavaScript code. Paste the authorization code you copied from Tawk.to into the designated area. Make sure to save your changes. Return to your Tawk.to dashboard to ensure the widget is active. Test the widget by visiting your website and checking its functionality. Once confirmed, your chat widget will be successfully authorized and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.